This tutorial will show you how to configure the new TrustedForm integration, as TrustedForm has rolled out version 4. At the end of the year on December 31st, 2023, TrustedForm is going to be deprecating version 2 of their API. Version 3 of their API is planned to be deprecated sometime in early 2024, as they work to move everyone to their TrustedForm v4 API. If you are using TrustedForm to generate certificates only, then you don't need to make any changes. If you are a Lead Prosper user who is using our TrustedForm integration to claim or retrieve your TrustedForm certs, you will need to begin migrating your setups from the v2 or v3 TrustedForm integration over to our new TrustedForm v4 integration. Before we start, some of the new differences and features with the latest API is that in order to properly retrieve your certificate, you're going to need to include either or both the email or the phone values from your lead. The reason why is because TrustedForm uses that to confirm that you are able to retain the certificate, and this is the way to authenticate it. That's the biggest reason why this change is coming into effect. The other thing to note is that Insights is now a different product. So, if you were using TrustedForm Insights before and you want to continue using it, you need to ensure that your TrustedForm account is a premium account or above. And then, you also need to make sure that your API version is set to 4 and that your Insights product is enabled in your account. These are all things you can reach out to your TrustedForm or Active Prospect account manager for them to validate and verify, but it needs to be done. If you are on an older API, you will need to upgrade it to version 4. If you don't have the Insights product enabled and you have a premium or bubble account, you will need to have your account manager enable it. But in order to utilize all the functionality that comes with Insights, you will need to have this enabled. To get started on the new integration, which is technically a completely new integration, click on your profile on the top right and select Integrations. This will bring you to your available integrations page. Select TrustedForm v4. This will bring the option to configure TrustedForm version 4. Here you will need to enter your TrustedForm API key. Once you enter that, your integration will be enabled. Now, you will need to set this up on a campaign level basis. So, click on Campaigns on the left side of your screen. This will bring you to the Campaign section. Next, you're going to choose the campaign you want to set this up for. Select Edit once you choose the campaign. Once in the campaign, scroll down to Third-Party Integrations and select Edit. From here, you need to select TrustedForm v4. The first thing to do here is to set the field where you're collecting the TrustedForm information. So, in the campaign, select TrustedForm cert URL under the Certificate URL or Token section. By default, set Skip Validation if certificate URL is not passed by suppliers to No. Hopefully, all your suppliers are sending TrustedForm cert URLs. If they're not, you can change this, but for this demo, we will leave this set to No. If you think you need to switch this to Yes, feel free to reach out to us here at Lead Prosper. Next, you will need to map the field where you're collecting email and phone, and this goes back to the validation part and the retrieving part. You need this in order to properly validate and retain your certificate so that you can confirm it's correct. So, under Email field, select Email, and under Phone field, select Phone. Lastly, if you have Insights enabled as a product and you want to utilize it to be able to filter out based on lead age, landing page domain, or consumer IP address, you will need to configure the Retrieve Insights section. Start by selecting the fields you will want to retrieve from the Insights. In this demo, we will remove none and select all 3. Under lead age, type in the number of minutes interval you will prefer for your lead age, which is the length of time between when you create your lead and when it is received. 15 is a good number to put here for this demo. Under landing page domain, select landing page URL, and under consumer IP address, select IP address. That will be it. As a reminder, if you are not using Insights, these last 4 sections will not matter. Hit Save from here, and you'll be set with the new version 4 API. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.